If you want to land more jobs on Upwork, one of the best ways to stand out is by creating a professional introductory video to showcase your skills, your personality, and your expertise. In this video, I'll guide you through creating an engaging and polished Upwork introductory video that can get you noticed by clients. So without further ado, let us dive straight into it. Step 1. Understand the purpose of your intro video. First, let's talk about why a video intro is such a big deal. It's your chance to make a human connection with potential clients. While written profiles are great, videos can help you showcase your voice, your confidence, and your communication skills. Clients often use this to determine if you're a right fit for a project. Step 2. Plan your script. Having a clear and concise script is key. Here's what to include. Number 1. Who are you? Briefly introduce yourself. Say your name, your profession, and give a quick summary of your experience. Number 2. What you do. Highlight your skills and your expertise specific to your Upwork profile. You can showcase some of your work so clients can actually see what you're worth. Number 3. How you can help. Explain how you solve problems for your clients. Focus on what makes you valuable to them. And remember, your focus here is the client, not yourself. Including a call to action is also an option at the end of your video. This can be something like, contact me today to discuss your project, and this can encourage clients to reach out to you. Remember to keep your script between 30 and 60 seconds long. Step 3. Choose the right setup. To make your video look professional, pay attention to your setup. Number 1. Lighting. Use natural lighting or even a ring light. Make sure your face is well lit and the camera is at the right height and the right angle. You should be able to just get your chest and head into frame, and your smartphone has a built-in flash, so this should be a good enough source of light. Number 2, your background. Keep it clean and distraction-free. Unlike this. A simple solid color wall or a professional workspace would work just great. Number 3, your camera and your sound. Now, most of us have a smartphone, and likely your smartphone at a minimum can shoot in 1080p. This is perfect. You can put it on a tripod or even prop it up with something if you don't have access to a tripod. The microphone in your smartphone should also give you high quality audio, so now you're all set with the equipment. Step 4. Record your video. Now it's time to record. You need to look directly into the camera and smile. Speak slowly and clearly. Be confident, but stay natural. Keep your body language open and professional. Avoid slouching or looking distracted. Don't worry if you need a few takes. Being in front of a camera is not for everybody, but this will increase your chances of landing jobs on Upwork. So just keep on trying until you've got a good take. Step 5. Edit for a polished touch. Now, once you've recorded your video, this is not enough. A little bit of editing can make a big difference. You don't need to pay somebody a lot of money to have this done. You can actually do it yourself. You can trim unnecessary pauses. You can add captions if you need. You can include your name and your job title in text overlays in the beginning. You can use free tools on your own like Canva, CapCut, or even InShot, which are all super easy tools to use. Step 6, and our final step, upload your video. It's time to upload it to your Upwork profile. You can also choose a thumbnail. Make sure that your thumbnail is inviting. You get to choose it from a frame of your video, so make sure that you're choosing a frame that you are smiling in and you're looking confident. Now, with a polished intro video, you'll make a fantastic first impression and you can boost your chances of landing high-paying clients on Upwork. Now, do you want to find some free, powerful tools to use as a freelancer? you can go ahead and click here and I shall reveal all. Peace.